What's up guys, welcome to another vlog. It's now actually almost 8 p.m. We came back out just to check out the place at night. So we're now here at, like, I don't know what it's called. They have this canal. It's like their Venice style here. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, we're gonna check out their canal, see what it looks like at night. And then we're gonna go back to the Duomo after here. Wow, that looks so good. Oh my god guys, look at this whole area. Oh my god, it's so nice. Hi. Wow, look at this crowd all the way over there. Can you see it? Bruh, I love the vibe here. This is the vibe. This is the vibe. This is the vibe. So this is where we're having dinner, guys. They're waiting in line. This is the restaurant we're having dinner at. They are very highly rated. TripAdvisor or something? I don't know. Okay, look at this restaurant, guys. They have 5 stars from TripAdvisor. I can't wait to try the pizza. I mean the pasta. This is Milan's little Venice. It's actually surprisingly nice. It's really giving me that Venice vibes here. I love it. This is like the bigger canal over here. The smaller canal is over there. That's where the happening is at. This whole entire strip from here all the way over there, it's all restaurants. It's so cool. Wait. We just finished eating there at the restaurant. Verdict, 7 out of 10. Wasn't as good as expected. Maybe because we had a really extremely good pasta in Como. That was exceptional. That was 10 out of 10. This place though, it wasn't that great for me. That place in Como, that one really sets the bar too high. So this restaurant was subpar compared to the one in Como. So this is actually a Lovelock Bridge. You see that? Look at all the Lovelocks here. So many restaurants here, you guys. maybe over 100 restaurants. This whole strip from one end to that end on both sides, it's all restaurants. Bruh, lechon. So we're done there at the little Venice here in Milan. We're gonna try to go back to the Duomo. We're gonna check out what it looks like over there at night. Alright guys, so we're now back here again. It's so much better at night because earlier when we came here, it was raining. So look at that. Wow, I love this plaza. It's so alive still, and it's now 10:30. Look at the amount of people that are still here at this hour. So guys, it's 10:40 and this is what it looks like here now compared to when we came here earlier during the day. It was packed, like there was barely any room to move around, but look at it now. Ending the night with some beer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this Milan vlog, and I still have a few more videos here in Europe, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please keep following along. I'm outie.